Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to fix Instagram widescreen in 2022. Now, this is a common problem with Instagram users, so let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is you go to Play Store here, and on Play Store, make sure to go to Instagram and make sure your Instagram is up to date. Now, if that fix doesn't fix your problem, what I would suggest is go and uninstall Instagram and then reinstall it again, and that will reinstall the Instagram with the newest update, and you will be able to remove and fix widescreen, right? Now, if that doesn't work for you, then what you will have to do is you will have to go to settings. So let's go to settings right here. And obviously you will have to go here and scroll down to application apps right here, and go here and go to Instagram. Obviously we have to type in Instagram, click on Instagram here. And then once you're on Instagram, you will have to scroll down and go to storage. Now here, make sure to clear cache and clear data. What this will do is this will restart Instagram to the old settings, and it will make sure to fix all the bugs as well. So after you've done this, if it doesn't work for you, if this fix doesn't work and if you are not fixing Instagram widescreen, then what you will have to do is you will have to go here to the link in the description, and you will have to go and download the older version of Instagram, right? Essentially, this will fix the problem. So what you will have to do is you will have to go to again, link in the description, go here to old versions, and then you can download old version from this list. It doesn't matter, just make sure it's an older version, and again, you can download it, and then obviously that will fix Instagram widescreen. But I think clearing the cache and clearing data will definitely fix any issues you have with Instagram. And then after that, if you can't fix this issue with widescreen, then what I would suggest is definitely clear cache and then reinstall and then install Instagram again, and that will fix your widescreen on Instagram. Now, comment down below if this video helped you, and leave a like down below as well. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.